Hello and welcome to our video on the 2 kW on-grid solar system. In this video, we will be discussing everything you need to know about a 2 kW on-grid solar system, how it works, and its benefits. What is a 2 kW on-grid solar system? A 2 kW on-grid solar system is a solar panel system that is designed to generate electricity and feed it directly into the grid. It is typically composed of several solar panels, a solar inverter, and a metering system. How does it work? When sunlight falls on the solar panels, it is converted into DC electricity. This DC electricity is then passed through the solar inverter, which converts it into AC electricity that can be used in your home or business. The AC electricity is then fed into the grid, and the metering system records the amount of electricity generated. How much power does it generate per day? The power generation from a 2 kW on-grid solar system can vary based on different factors, including weather conditions, the location of the solar panels, and the efficiency of the solar panels and inverter. On an average sunny day, a 2 kW on-grid solar system can generate around 8 to 10 kWh of electricity per day. However, the actual power generation may be less on cloudy or rainy days, and it may be higher during peak sunlight hours. How long does a 2 kW on-grid system last? A well-designed and properly installed 2 kW on-grid solar system can last for more than 25 years, but the lifespan of a solar system can vary depending on several factors, including the quality of the components, maintenance, and the climate conditions. Solar panels are made of durable materials that can withstand harsh weather conditions, but they can still degrade over time due to exposure to sunlight and other environmental factors. The efficiency of the solar panels may decrease slightly over time, but the reduction in efficiency is usually minimal and can be offset by the high initial efficiency of the solar panels. The lifespan of the inverter, which is a critical component of the solar system, may be shorter than the solar panels, typically between 10 to 15 years. However, the inverter can be easily replaced without having to replace the entire solar system. Proper maintenance can also extend the lifespan of a 2 kW on-grid solar system. It is recommended to clean the solar panels regularly to remove dirt, dust, and debris, which can affect the efficiency of the system. Additionally, it is essential to have the system checked by a professional at least once a year to ensure that it is working optimally. Overall, a 2 kW on-grid solar system can last for more than 25 years, but regular maintenance and replacing the inverter when needed can help extend the system's lifespan. What is the return of investment or ROI from a 2 kW on-grid system? The return on investment, ROI, from a 2 kW on-grid solar system can vary depending on several factors, including the cost of electricity in the region, the cost of the solar system, and the amount of electricity generated by the system. In general, the ROI from a 2 kW on-grid solar system is considered to be good, with most homeowners and businesses seeing a positive ROI within 5-7 years of installation. After the initial cost of installation, which can vary depending on the region and the quality of the components, the system can generate electricity at a much lower cost than purchasing electricity from the grid. The amount of electricity generated by a 2 kW on-grid solar system can also vary depending on the region and the efficiency of the solar panels and inverter. However, on average, a 2 kW solar system can generate between 2,000 to 3,000 kWh (kWh) of electricity per year. To calculate the ROI from a 2 kW on-grid solar system, you would need to take into account the cost of the system, including installation and maintenance, the amount of electricity generated by the system, and the cost of electricity from the grid. You can use an online solar calculator or consult with a solar professional to determine the estimated ROI of a 2 kW on-grid solar system in your area. Overall, the ROI from a 2 kW on-grid solar system can be good, with homeowners and businesses seeing a positive ROI within a few years of installation. Additionally, what is the cost for a 2 kW on-grid solar system? The cost of a 2 kW on-grid solar system can vary depending on several factors, including the quality of the components, installation costs, and incentives and rebates available in your region. On average, the cost of a 2 kilowatts on-grid solar system can range from to 700,000 to 900,000 rupees. However, the cost can be higher or lower depending on various factors. For example, if you opt for high-efficiency solar panels, the cost of the system will be higher. Similarly, if you live in a region with high installation costs, such as a complex roof or difficult access to the installation site, the cost of the system may be higher. How to find the best solar provider for your 2 kW on-grid solar system. Finding a reliable and reputable solar provider is essential to ensure that you get a good 2 kilowatts on-grid solar system that meets your energy needs and budget. Here are some tips on how to find the best solar provider. Research online. Use online resources to find solar providers in your area. Look for customer reviews and ratings to get an idea of the provider's reputation and customer service. Get referrals. Ask for referrals from family, friends, or neighbors who have installed solar systems. They can provide valuable insights into their experience with the solar provider. Check credentials. Ensure that the solar provider is licensed, insured, and certified to install solar systems in your region. This will ensure that the system is installed safely and efficiently. Ask for quotes. Get quotes from multiple solar providers to compare prices, warranties, and services. Don't just go for the cheapest option. Consider the quality of the components and the reputation of the provider. Evaluate customer service. Evaluate the customer service of the solar provider. Are they responsive and helpful in answering your questions? Do they provide ongoing maintenance and support for the solar system? Check financing options. Look for solar providers that offer financing options to make the solar system more affordable. They can provide information about tax credits, rebates, and other financial incentives that can help you save money on the system. As we come to the end of our documentary on 2 kW on-grid solar systems, we hope that you've gained valuable insights into the benefits and possibilities of this technology. We encourage you to explore your own options for integrating solar into your home or business, and to continue learning about the latest advancements in renewable energy.